Evan, tara.
Tapusin ko lang.
Tapos na.
Sila sayang.
Sa inyo na lang second ball.
Siguradong may second ball na ha.
Hindi ko malalakas.
Putik yan, walang ano.
Dapat meron ka stand.
Nakalive din pa isa.
Can you hear me? Yeah. Yeah, that's what I said. The idea is that Blues are they're still not updated, that's why they can select. They have probably reflected already. Okay. So your then so we don't make like changes on the record. The redirection. Generally, the idea is being done. Because I don't remember any changes. But yeah, yes, right now, if it's not the news that yeah, you can go. And by the way, because everything probably we can just do we still want to get fresh for the changes. Take the tickets for the documentation. confirm if it's working, you just have to frequently check the website, right? Let me try it on my end. The app that GoDaddy, sorry, the app that Google specializes the one that's not working right. Oh, the main website. It is still loading on my end, but I'm not sure which part doesn't work. Do we need to like log in for us to load it down if it's like throw us an error? Because I can still make it for the Ay! Probably has something to do with it. Oh! Say, you can go ahead and make it. Because on my side, I can tell the difference if I'm gonna be loading the website. I can see that. Did you try this on your end? You can. Sharon, I have a question. The changes that need to be done, are you doing it on the flow? So you're putting the server on the definitely it's not possible to sleep when we don't have it. Like an hour or two, right? You said like an hour or two for the recovery.